So guys, I'm Christopher Javon Gilbo on Thelivingatlas, and today I'll be reviewing the Feiyutech G6 Plus gimbal. If you know what a gimbal is, it's a stabilizer for cameras. So it increases your video quality and less shakiness in videos. We're going to unbox this and we're going to show you the components and how to use it in different forms. Let's get into it. Here we go, all together. Looks pretty good. We got straps, zippers. We got here. This looks like this is the manual. It looks like it has software in it, I believe. And what else we got in here? Frequently asked questions about the product. That's cool. Okay. And also, obviously in Chinese, which we don't need that because we don't speak Chinese, don't we? So yeah. Also, we got this little envelope here from the company. Let me see what it has in here. Put this over to the side. And there is a little thing right here. And it looks like you do tutorial videos about how to use this stuff. Put that back in the plastic, put that over here. Here's the warranty for it, and you have to fill out the card. And you can do service on Facebook too, and that is WeChat, which I also do have WeChat too. So I could contact them both. If I have any problems, I will contact them on WeChat because the Chinese platform may get back to me even faster. It's the quick start guide. Alright. Yes, these QR codes to get a manual. Detailed manual, and here is the guide to mounting and using it in English and in Chinese. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Put that over to the side, and all right, we're gonna pick this baby up, and here you go. Hold this thing. Alright. Now this is battery operated, so in a little bit we're going to show you the uses of this thing. So this the main gimbal is fairly small, but you can put mounting gear right here. And also here looks like we have more mounting abilities right here. Right here. So this looks like you can put a cell phone. Alright, so this is with the wireless camera on here. Seems like it's having a little bit of a hard time with it a little bit. I'm going to guys, we fixed it. Now we could possibly do things with it. What was happening was that it was slightly off balance. That's why. So I can do this stuff now. So I can do the other ones. I'm going to play different panic controls. So I'm going to like this, around like that. Up and down like this. Also, we're going to mess with the roll control here. So, like that. So now it's correct. Balance, we're on here. And, yeah. Tilt this way and tilt this way. Stop. This again. Now it's back to panic control. We can go around like this completely. Once again, this meets all my needs. I need something like this. Blocking. Set up. Look at myself this way, like that. Tap the control again. Look at. All right, so we got the cell phone attachment onto this thing. And we're letting the power bank charge this a little bit. It's kind of low. But you can tap for different types of control. You can zoom in, zoom out. This little arm right here to change the view of the side views of the gimbal. And again, you got the roll control. You go to the side like that and the side like this. You know, sound like this, or make effects like this. Oh no. Also, hit again as tilt control. You can tilt it like this. Really easy. And then tap it again. Feels like the panic control. You go like this and play around with the roll. This thing has limits. You get too close to it vibrates like this. And you go back up to this way. You'll do the same. I guess maybe not. But yeah. This is the cell phone view of it. It's pretty cool. Next, I'm gonna put the GoPro on. Alright, now I'm got the GoPro attached right here. And the same thing, you could, like, you know, take it and pan it around a little bit. Up and down. And it comes together pretty well. Oh, yeah. Couldn't turn it. And I can keep it still. Oh, like that. Not like that. Yeah, so these are rolls with it. That's go forward and back, touch it up like that. For this, I am using the GoPro Session 5. So that's pretty cool. So yeah. So that's it. Next, I'll tell you how much I like this thing or not. Alright guys, so this is to help out my future projects. Me and one of my fellow YouTubers is going to be going to the Philippines, and we're going to be going around the area called Central Visayas. We're going to be examining the city of Cebu Island, and Mactan Island in the Philippines. If you would like to see this in use, technology I use in practice, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications, and also too, I'm gonna have a little series called Random Vlogs. All my vlogs I've done have not edited yet, but you can see the difference in the stabilization and video quality without having a Kindle. And that's it for me, guys, and you guys have a nice night and day wherever you are in the world. Good night.